Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the view distance quality in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then we're going to go to the video tab, and then scroll down under quality settings. You'll find view distance quality. So here you can adjust this option from low to medium to high to ultra, and let's turn it up to ultra. And once you've done that, just press save, and then as you can see, once we come back to the game, the options have been applied and the view distance has increased. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.